2016! Yay! Hi, Team Mounties! My name's Elizabeth, and I am one of your team captains for the weekend. I currently have, oh, there we go. There's my face. Right there. We are so excited to meet you. Myself and your other team captain are planning away, making posters, making cheers, and we are just so pumped up for this weekend, and we hope you are too. If you have any questions, concerns, anything leading up to this weekend, feel free to contact me. I'm going to attempt to put my email at the bottom of the screen here where you can see how much talent I have. That's it. That's all. We'll check in again shortly. I hope you guys are excited, and we'll see you very soon. RCMP!